I'm not sure if that was like that before, but...
This, the black part,
yeah.
yes.
It
that
was.
pipe right there, no.
Okay. Yeah, no, last night when we were out here, I saw water coming up to right around here. Oh my god, look at all the asphalt in the creek.
Yeah.
That's a big fucking chunk right there.
Had to come from somewhere.
Yeah, no, last night when it was... Of course it was flooding right along this creek over here, but it was also right where the asphalt's missing, and I thought it was like the whole thing had just fallen over because of how it was. Like, it was rushing bad. There's asphalt all over this creek. Yeah. Look at all that asphalt in the driveway. Jesus Christ. Oh, I didn't even see that. No, this is where we parked yesterday to talk to these guys around here. Was that pipe already out before?
That one?
Yeah.
No.
Jesus Christ.
Like, part of it was, you know, like, right around, like, the driveway or whatnot, but, like, the rest of that, no. Like, even part of his yard got washed out, too.
Oof.
See? That was not like that before.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Look how deep this is now.
That is crazy.
That's kind of cool, though. Look at all the colors.
Kind of cool, but that's...
Yeah.
You'll know
That's
if
like...
you get stuck in there.
Yeah, that's fresh fucking stone right there. That's insane. Yeah, we were talking to the neighbors that live right over here to our right. Your dad hadn't met them yet.
Yeah, honestly, I don't know their names.
I think he just
Look at all
recently moved in. Oh, wow, that is deep. Or starting to get pretty deep.
Yeah.
No, we were talking to this one guy who lives up here. Oh my god. But we were talking to this one guy
I'm
that...
listening, I
yeah,
promise.
sorry.
Talking to one
Holy shit. Oh my god.
You might get word in. Talking to one guy.
Yeah, talking to one guy that lives up here, and he said he cleaned his ditch. He cleaned his ditch out or whatever, and then the second rain came and then just messed it all up again. Oh my god.
I'll pull up there in a minute when you look, but
that is insane. Holy hell. That is absolutely crazy. Yeah, I don't think the road's gonna be fine for a while.
no, it's not.
And you know the DOH won't do a damn thing.
Never do. Like, literally right now, it looks like if you want to, through, like, the freaking road, it looks like you could just go and just yank up the freaking asphalt.
Yeah.
If you wanted to.
Probably could. Flowing out.
Yeah, that, like...
Oh. That's crazy. Well, that's kind of cool. It's red right there. Whatever the hell that means.
I don't know. Freaking blacks are having it rough, though. First they had a house fire in their last house. And now they got this going on.
Yeah. There's a lot of asphalt inside the creek right there.
Yeah.
Or not really creek, but where the hell you want to call that now.
Puddle?
Yeah. Oh, that looks super deep over to our right.
Oh, yeah. Well, like, even part of his driveway, like that.
Ooh, yeah. Just look at that massive chunk just waiting to get. Whenever it rains next, that's definitely going away.
Yeah.
If not, I'll be counting the days, however long that takes. Jesus Christ.
Of course, you got all the water running off, like,
Yeah.
going on in the road anyways, so.
That is absolutely crazy.
Actually, I think more of it kind of did chunk off because that part back through there was not as wet.
Oh shoot, I've been looking all
It
over
is
to my
now.
right. Holy crap. That is absolutely crazy. Oh, we got someone behind us.
Probably, maybe.
I hope it's not right.
Anyway, if it is, I want to say something unless it's county road. You don't have rights to open it.
Yeah.
Well, it's either Mike or one of Robinson's kids.
Yeah. Oh my god. That is insane. Mike,
Yeah, definitely Mike. Oh, there's more.
yeah. I'm gonna stop it here.